Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about what is statistics, what is descriptive statistics, what is inferential statistics, and what is parameter. So let us start with what is statistics. So first of all, we understand what is simply a statistics. So statistics is a numerical value calculated from a sample. So statistics is simply numerical value collected from numerical value means number of value collected from sample. Sorry, collected from sample. So how can we define, how can we understand the statistics? What is the if someone will question you what is the statistics, how will you answer? In such situation you will answer like average mark of average mark of 100 students is what? If you let's say average mark of 100 students is 75, so this 75 number is statistics. So simply the statistics is the average mark of 100 students is 75. So statistics is number of value which is collected from the sample. Statistics is simply a number of value which is collected from sample. Okay. So now we will understand what is parameter. So you should first understand what is statistics. Statistics is a number of value which is collected from the sample. So now we will understand what is parameter. So what is parameter? It is the number of value collected from population. So statistics is number of value which is collected from sample. Okay. So parameter is the number of value which is collected from population. So how can we okay, how can we give the example? How can we understand the parameter? Now, so if someone will ask you, show me the example of parameter, how can you understand? Okay. So you will answer like this: if average mark of 5,000 students in college. If someone will ask you what is the average mark of 5,000 students in college, so this is if so, so you answer what is the average mark of 5,000 students, which include all the population in the college. Yeah, 5,000 does not include the sample. So you must focus what is the statistics. Statistics is just a simple number of value which is collected from the sample, and parameter is the number of value which is collected from the population. Okay. And you can easily understand from the example that average mark of 5,000 students in the college is parameter. Now we will go towards what is descriptive statistics. So what is descriptive statistics? Now descriptive statistics is the branch of statistics that organizes, summarizes, and presents the data in a meaningful way. So descriptive statistics, you can easily define that what is descriptive statistics is branch of statistics which include uh, data in a summarized manner. So how can you define, how can you, so it is a branch of statistics which include the data in a summarized manner, and how can you give examples? So the example is average mark of a student in a class. Sorry. So average mark of a student in class. So it is a descriptive statistics. Now let's say on another example, other is highest and lowest salary. Highest and lowest salary of a student in a class. In class. Or in a office. You can also take office. Okay. So other example include number of boys and girls. Now let us understand with the graph example. Okay. So I have made the graph. This is 0, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So here is the equation is y is equal to ax plus b. Now just example, we have plotted the point here, 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 here. So this will make a line like this. So now, dear students, now tell whether this line is descriptive or inferential statistics. So just think and tell slowly. Just you can think by pausing this video. Now let's understand that what this graph is trying to tell, whether this is descriptive or inferential. So this graph indicates descriptive statistics. This graph tells descriptive statistics. Why? Because as we saw, the average number of average mark of the number of student in this curve. We do not show the data which is collected from the sample. We are just showing the average mark of students in the class. So this is a descriptive statistics. Now we will now I will tell, if this is a descriptive and statistics, then what will be the graph of the inferential statistics. So for before going to the graph, so let us understand what is inferential statistics. Okay. So the second one is, what is inferential statistics. So inferential statistics is a branch of statistics that uses data from a sample to find conclusion. So what is inferential statistics? It is a branch of statistics that uses data from a sample to find the conclusion. So now let us understand with the graph. Now when I will form the graph like this, and this shows the median of the mark of the students. Now what this curve line, now I will now tell me what this, I'm so sorry, I should have, this is the let's understand this curved line as a red line. I'm so sorry. Okay. Now tell me what this red line shows. This red line shows population. Sample this population as to calculate the average mark of the student. This is taken as a sample from the population. So this is considered as the population. And the average mark of the student is shown with the help of this graph. Okay, this is the median mark of the student. Now we will understand that what is inferential. So when we draw the curve like this one, and this is considered as the inferential. But when the graph is shows when the graph will be is like this, or when the graph will be like this or this, so this type of graph is considered as descriptive statistics, but this type of graph is considered as a inferential statistics. Inferential statistics example is the whenever the data is collected from the sample. When the data is collected or the data is drawn, find the conclusion from the sample, then such statistics is called the inferential statistics. Thank you very much for watching my video. Now in the further video I will explain what is a variable, what is constant, and its steps. Thank you.